What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best printer for waterslide decals. As useful as these waterslide decals can be, it is still a very niche concept, and finding the right printer for this purpose can be troublesome. Fortunately for you, we are here to help. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 printer for waterslide decals. Number 1. HP Envy 5055 printer for waterslide decals. The first printer on our list is the quintessential example of jack of all trades, master of none. HP's Envy 5055 can perform a wide array of functions effectively. Speaking of versatility, the printer can function as a 3-in-1 device. Supports a wide range of paper sizes. When it comes to monitoring the printer, you can do it remotely with the help of the HP Smart app. Because of its wide array of features and intuitive interface, can perform the functions of a printer, scanner, and copier. Number 2. Canon Pixma MG3620 printer for waterslide decals. When it comes to versatility in making decals, the Canon Pixma MG3620 is a strong contender for the best printer for decals. Offers different resolutions depending on the scale of your activity. Has a special quiet mode for a noise-free operation. To further add to your overall convenience, it comes with an excellent mobile app called the Canon Print. The overall design deserves a lot of praise. It is very compact and takes up as little space as possible. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET3760 printer for waterslide decals. If you are looking for a relatively environment-friendly printer that doesn't bleed you dry with its high ink costs, this one is for you. Uses an ink tank instead of cartridges to save costs in the long run. Small in size and thus doesn't require much space. Despite a more extensive paper tray than usual, the overall design is still pretty compact and takes up very little space. Initially comes with enough ink to print at least 6,500 BNW pages. Has a very high paper capacity and printing speed. Number 4. Canon Pixma TS6220 printer for waterslide decals. This printer is a more budget-friendly alternative to the Pixma MG3620, as mentioned earlier. has just the right resolution to print any sort of decals. Can be monitored with the help of a perfect companion app. Furthermore, the printer is compatible with Alexa, and thus, you can print with just your voice command alone. Comes with 5 individual cartridges to ensure the highest quality. Compatible with Alexa, and thus allows voice-activated printing. Number 5. Epson Workforce WF7710 Printer for Waterslide Decals. This printer prides itself on efficiency. As the name suggests, it is a workforce. The speed, capacity, and quality. Offers exceptional speed at 18 ppm for black pages. Can print about 20,000 pages in a month. If all of that wasn't enough, this printer also cares for your convenience. Firstly, it can be used by 5 people at the same time. Saves a lot of energy compared to other laser printers. Can be used by 5 users at a time.